Good morning, everyone. I just learned fresh news update from Tesla Giga Shanghai. I want to share with you. Giga Shanghai drone operator Wuwa, who regularly provides drone videos from Tesla Giga Shanghai, says that since May 23rd, Tesla employees, after 2 days of silent isolation, tonight go into the factory for closed loop production. It is reported that from tonight they will enter the second shift working hours. This is a great news for Giga Shanghai's ramp up. That means as of tonight, Tesla Giga Shanghai reportedly starts second shift. Most of Shanghai is still under lockdown. So Tesla must have solved a big problem, its part supply problem, by implementing closed loop production, but we don't know the capacity situation yet, says Vuva in a YouTube post shared 1 hour ago. It's good to see Tesla has solved a big problem of its supply issue. 2 days ago, on May 23rd, we learned that Tesla China may be taking some time before it hits its pre-lockdown output levels, but it's getting there. Despite operating with only one shift then, since resuming vehicle production last month, Giga Shanghai has been able to produce 26,000 vehicles. Now with the start of second shift, we should see better numbers coming from Giga Shanghai. The information was released 2 days ago by China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. It's called MIIT, which published a post on its official WeChat account. According to MIIT, over 1,200 auto parts companies have also resumed work and production. This should help automakers like Tesla China ramp their production further. And therefore, we see that happening today because solving supply partners have also solved their issues and have managed their production, and Giga Shanghai as a result starts second shift. Friends, Shanghai is a crucial location for China's auto market, with the MIIT estimating that about 11% of country's auto production happens in the city. Auto parts suppliers also operate facilities in Shanghai. This is great because you see how smart Tesla was choosing Shanghai, because lots of auto suppliers are in the city. Gigafactory Shanghai's output would likely only increase from this point on. As indicated by posts on China's Douyin platform, Gigafactory Shanghai employees who will be working on Giga Shanghai's second shift are now arriving at the facility. This was reported 2 days ago, and you see after 2 days of isolation, they're already starting the second shift. Similar to the first shift workers already in the factory, the second shift workers also temporarily live in Giga Shanghai as part of the company's closed loop system. Reports have suggested that Tesla is looking to keep Giga Shanghai's workers in a closed loop system through mid-June. So this will be how long they will be in Giga Shanghai, not seeing their families. It should be noted that Tesla is not the only company adopting a closed loop approach for its production. Fellow automaker General Motors, as well as suppliers like Cattle battery supplier, are also adopting closed loop approach in some of their China-based facilities in order to be able to produce. Tesla Gigafactory Shanghai stopped its production on March 28 when the city entered a phased lockdown. Operations restarted on April 19 with 8,000 employees returning to work. Since then, Gigafactory Shanghai has resumed its vehicle exports through an official at Shanghai's, actually Dawn officials in Shanghai's new Lingyang area started that the facility was still operating at about 45% its capacity. Now you see, to mitigate Tesla's geopolitical risks, the construction of Giga Indonesia can't be soon enough. Perhaps that played a huge role in not placing the next Gigafactory in China. When we were talking about the second Gigafactory in China, there were a lot of talks, and I was thinking, will Tesla choose to make two Gigafactories in one country? Although China has been really good for Tesla, Chinese government has helped Tesla very much, supported the production, and it was basically, I would say, positive relationship between Tesla and Chinese government as far as I've reported the news. But I've been also thinking, would Tesla like to build a second factory in China, because China is the largest automotive market, China is the largest electric car market, or will Tesla choose another country? But Tesla chose apparently Indonesia, although the official announcement hasn't come yet. But I was thinking that it will be something where Tesla will have its battery supplies closer. Indonesia, I believe, has a law that you can't export the battery like nickel or battery raw materials. You have to produce there. Therefore, Tesla will build a battery factory in Indonesia and also an electric vehicle factory in Indonesia. So the supplier can be very close, and battery is one of the major parts in an electric vehicle. Well, the news is that Tesla Giga Shanghai today starts second shift reportedly. What do you think about this, friends? What do you think do you think Tesla will be able to make up the loss with faster ramp up of Model 3 and Model Y production? Let me know, please. Give us thumbs up for this report. This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. Have a great day. God bless you, everyone. And I'll see you soon in our next report while discussing the news with you in the comment section below. Have a great day.